111 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, দ্য মিনিমাম দ্য শর্ট টার্ম অফ ন্যাচারাল হ্যাজার্ড ইজ, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? নাম্বার ডি, বোর্ড অফ দ্য লাইটনিং, দ্য মিনিমাম দ্য শর্ট টার্ম অফ ন্যাচারাল হ্যাজার্ড। 111 number question, explain the volcano eruption, the earthquake, the flash flood, the landslide of the saber tooth thunderstorm of the lightning, and wildfire are all example of sudden natural hazard which has developed the little of warning and a strike of the rapidly. However, bold lightning as the minimum the short term hazard, or which is the latest of few of second to lightning is one of the most of the spectacular of the result of a thunderstorm. Next question. 112 number question কি বলছে, the why the earth is the having its own atmosphere, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, gravity, thus with the earth is having its own as the atmosphere. 112 number question, explain due to gravity our earth has an atmosphere. Gravity is caused that gases to be held close to the earth instead of escaping into outer space. Besides, to gravity is make the atmosphere to denser closer to the earth, the upper to layer and push down against the lower layer. Next question. 113 number question কি বলছে, dash is the thinnest layer of earth, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, crust is the thinnest layer of earth. 120 question, explain the earth can be divided into four main layers. The solid is crust on the outside, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. Out of them, the mantle is the thickest layer, extend from the where is the crust in and about 2,819 kilometers. While the crust is the thinnest layer, the crust ranges from 5 to 17 kilometer depth is the outermost layer. Next question. 114 number question, equinox occurs to when the sun is the vertically above, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, equator, the equinox to occur to when the sun is the vertically above. Next question. 114 number question, explain an equinox is an astronomical event in which on the plane of the earth an equator passes through the center of the sun, which is the occurs to which the each year is around 20 March and 30 September. The equinox is our only time when the sun is exactly overhead at the point as the equatorial line. On the equinox, the day and night are approximately equal to duration to all over the planet. Next question. 150 number question কি বলছে, the uneven distribution the in solution on the earth is mainly due to the, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, spherical shape of the earth, the uneven distribution in solution on the earth. Explain that uneven distribution in solution on the earth is mainly due to the earth title to axis, the nearly to spherical shape, the length as the time on earth and surface to express that solar radiations also changes through out of the year and depending on the season. Another of the factor that affects the solar radiation of the earth is the rotation in the earth itself. All these is factor to lead that unequal distribution and the heat on the earth, creating that is the Korean heat gradient. Next question. 160 number question কি বলছে, the meanders are the features of the from by, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, river, the meanders are the features formed. 116 number question, explain the a meander in a general is the bend of sinuous water course a river to a meander from moving water is the river to erodes to outer bank and white means is a valley. Meandering the river to erode to sediment and form the outer curve. Is the meander made the deposit in or inner cut on the farther to downstream? When the meander is gets cut off from the main as the stream and oxbow leg of forms. Next question. 170 number question কি বলছে, which of the following the refer to the white salt which is the cover the land in some areas to during the dry season? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, ray, the which is the salt that cover the land of the some to areas to during the dry season. 180 number question কি বলছে, the mountainous areas to natural cause and road and block and often এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, the landslides in the mountain of areas the natural causes road blocks and often. Explain, the heavy to rainfall open to cause the landslide and highly region of the blocking road and result in the cutting of towns to large amount of the debris the block and access to hampering to traffic and affecting of the business. Next question. 119 number question কি বলছে, the granite of the quartzite area have two outstanding log and because এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, not too easily to one and down. 120 number question কি বলছে, the earth to complete the one rotation on it is the axis in এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, 23 hours and 56 minutes 49 seconds. The earth is completely one on the rotation on its axis. 120 number question. Explain, the earth in rotate to around its axis to once about 24 hours with respect to the sun and once every 23 hours and 56 minutes and 4 seconds with respect to the star. The earth rotates from the west and toward east. Season are caused by earth and rotation around its axis.